Hi everyone, thank you for watching today's video. My name is Jasmine Castillo, the Writing Center Coordinator, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the services that we offer at the Writing Center. So at the Writing Center, we can help at any stage of the writing process. So if you just got an assignment sheet and you're not sure how to get started, we can help you. Maybe you have a draft that you need to organize. We can help with that. Maybe it's a nicely polished draft that you're ready to submit and you need to look it over with the tutor. We can help there. We can also help with format styles. So if you are asked to write in a style that you haven't written in before, like APA or MLA or Chicago style, or any other style for that matter, we can also assist you. We also help with things like grammar and language usage. So if you struggle with a particular writing aspect, whether it be grammar or sentence structure or verb tense or any writing issue, we can assist you with that as well. So what you can expect in a session is to have a conversation with the tutor. Our sessions are meant to be collaborative. We ask that you provide the tutor with the assignment sheet and the rubric. You can feel free to bring any notes that you think would be helpful to the tutor for this session. We do ask that writers read the work out loud, so you could be prepared for that. We find that reading your work out loud can help writers catch some of the things that they wouldn't have caught as if they're working alone. We do offer 30, 60, and 90-minute appointments. So if you've got a 4-page paper or longer than that, I would encourage a 60-minute appointment. So at the Writing Center, there are different ways that you can contact us. Our email is listed here, writingcenter@lewisu.edu. Our phone number is listed here. You can leave a voicemail if you're unable to reach us. We also have social media, so even if you have a quick writing question and you don't need a whole 30-minute appointment, you can send us a message and someone will respond to you on Facebook or Instagram or any other social media accounts. So to make an appointment, we ask that you go to lewisu.edu/appointment. It's listed on the screen here. After registering for an account, you will be able to make, cancel, and modify appointments from your cell phone or your computer. So keep that in mind. It's very simple and easy to do. It takes less than a minute. It isn't connected with your My Lewis account, so it is a separate account that you need to register for. Make sure that you do use your Lewis email and use a password that you will be able to remember. We always encourage writers to write that information down so that it's easy for you to log in next time you need to make an appointment. Once you have an account, this is what our schedule will look like. Anything that's white is an appointment that you can make, so it shows you available time. Anything that's that bright blue color is just an appointment that's already been made. And then anything that's this dark blue color is just when the tutor is not working that day. Once you make an appointment, it'll turn like a golden color so that you'll be able to quickly see your appointments whenever you log into WC Online. So currently we've got several different appointment types. We have the traditional face-to-face appointment. So if that works better for you, you can come into the center and work with the tutor face-to-face. We also offer appointments over the phone. So you can still have that on-the-spot clarification without needing to be in the center. We offer video appointments using Teams, and then we also offer feedback through email. These are called our online responses. I do encourage a face-to-face or a phone or video appointment. If you absolutely can't schedule one of those, you can submit a request for an online response. Our newest appointment type is called the conversation partner appointment. So if English is your second or third language and you'd like some practice with conversation, you can come in, make an appointment for a conversation partner appointment. You don't have to prepare anything. You don't have to bring a paper. The idea is just to give you some good practice with the flow and vocabulary development that comes through having genuine conversations. So the tutor will ask questions, and then you can feel free to ask the tutor questions. So we really encourage you to schedule those as well. For all of our appointment types, you will schedule an appointment using WC Online, so where I just showed you here. If you would like feedback by email, we have a separate Google form that you would submit. This way, the Writing Center will get your request, and then we will assign it to a tutor based on who's available next. So the link is listed here, but it's also on our website. We've got it in a couple of different places. So all other appointment types can be scheduled on WC Online. This particular one for feedback by email has a separate form. But if you have any questions about scheduling, you can always give us a call or stop by the Writing Center or send us an email. If you are interested in working with a graduate tutor in particular, we have them listed in this way. So you'll see that they're just listed as graduate tutor on the schedule. So you'll be able to quickly identify which tutors are graduate tutors and which aren't. Though I would say that all of our tutors will be able to help you. It's just up to you depending on your availability. So a couple of things in terms of best practices, we encourage you to visit the center early and often. So we have tutor or students that come in right when their assignment has been assigned, and then they'll have an appointment or two with a tutor. That's really good practice. You don't have to be invited to visit the Writing Center. So you don't have to wait for an instructor to ask you to go to the Writing Center. The Writing Center isn't a place where you go because you are a poor writer. It's where all writers go for feedback. So our tutors make appointments with each other. We've had faculty and staff stop by and make appointments for feedback. So we encourage you to do that. As an instructor myself, I teach writing courses in the English department. I would argue that instructors really like to see that students are going to the Writing Center for support. It shows your initiative and the hard work that you're putting into your schoolwork. So keep that in mind. It doesn't have to be a paper that you're writing for a particular writing course. It could be for any major or any class, as long as it's a writing project and you need support, we can help you with that. Okay, after each session, the tutor will submit what's called a tutor report form. It includes a summary of what was worked on during the session, and so you'll get a copy of that. And the instructor, as long as you provided that information, will also get a copy as well. Please know that our Writing Center is a peer writing center, so our tutors are students just like you. We like to hire tutors from all different majors, so it's possible that one of our tutors might have the same major as you. If you look on our schedule and you click on any appointment box, you'll be able to get some background information on that particular tutor. So maybe you want to work with someone on Monday at noon and there are 3 tutors available. You might choose which tutor based on the information that's listed there. Maybe they have background with working with multilingual writers. Maybe they have your major. Maybe they're a graduate tutor. So you can choose that way. So we really encourage you to register for an account at lewisu.edu/appointment. And we look forward to working with you.